The U.S. Supreme Court on Monday allowed Donald Trump to pursue deportations of alleged Venezuelan gang members using a law dating back to 1798 with certain limits. Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act on March 15 to swiftly deport the alleged members of the Tren de Aragua gang. The law has historically been used only in wartime and is best known for its use to intern Japanese, Italian, and German immigrants during World War II. The same day, a Washington-based judge blocked the deportations, but Trump's administration allowed 2 planes already in the air to continue to El Salvador to be placed in the Central American country's terrorism confinement center. The administration has argued the judge had encroached on presidential authority to make national security decisions. On Monday, the Supreme Court granted the administration's request to lift the judge's order in an unsigned 5-4 ruling in which conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett and the court's 3 liberal justices dissented. However, the court's majority placed the limits on how deportations may occur and emphasized that judicial review is required. The majority wrote the detainees, quote, must receive notice after the date of this order that they are subject to removal under the Act and that, quote, the notice must be afforded within a reasonable time and in such a manner as will allow them to actually seek habeas relief in the proper venue before such removal occurs. The ruling said the court was not resolving the validity of the administration's reliance on the law to carry out the deportations. The dissenting justices, in an opinion written by liberal Justice Sonia Sotomayor, criticized the majority's, quote, dubious conclusions in the case and for acting with just a few days of deliberation. Lee Gallant, a lawyer with the American Civil Liberties Union and the lead counsel representing the detainees, framed the court's decision as a win for his side, saying, quote, the critical point is that the Supreme Court said individuals must be given due process to challenge their removal under the Alien Enemies Act. That is an important victory.